Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's method is physical goods platform. So sites like Society6, Bazaar and Redbubble, for example, just to name a few, and I will leave the links down in the description below as well, so you can check them out if you're interested. But basically, some of these platforms work this way. You have to create a product, let's say it's a t-shirt, it's a mug, it's a phone case, stuff like that, and then you send it to them. They keep it in their warehouse, and when somebody buys that product, they are going to charge you because they kept your product at their warehouse. So basically a storage fee, if you want to call it, and then buyer pays the fee of actually delivering that product to them. Basically that's one way. The other way, like Society6 does, for example, is you simply upload your design to these platforms and they deal with everything. You're just left with the money for creating that design, but they are taking majority of the money because they actually have to build the thing, they have to ship the thing, deal with the customer and all of these different things, deal with the marketing and promotion. So basically you're left with a small chunk of that money, but once again you have created the smallest amount of work. There is also a site called Bazaar, for example, and I'm going to leave the link down in the description below so you can check it out as well. They do both ways, so you can create digital products and you can create physical products, and you can do the way like I explained with Society6. So you can create a design, they are going to put it on their particular products, so for example bed sheets, iPhone cases and stuff like that, and send it to customer. There are also websites like Redbubble, for example, where you simply upload your design and they are going to sell it on their t-shirts, let's say. And there are many different of these websites with many different avenues. So whatever you are doing, try to explore the avenue which works for you the best. Make sure to dabble in all of these just to see which ones work best for you, your business, your designs and your approach. And just understand that with these approaches, money is not going to be huge because you're involving all of these other businesses doing all of this other type of work for you. While on this other hand, you can do all of this by yourself and money can be huge, but that's a key thing right here. You have to do all of this by yourself. So let's say you're creating a t-shirt. You have to find a t-shirt company, you have to find a printing company, you have to package it, you have to put it on your website, you have to host it, promote it, create all of these different things, promotions, videos, images and so on. You have to hire a model who is going to wear your t-shirt, and then finally once you actually get the buyer, you have to send that t-shirt to the buyer. You have to handle customer support, you have to handle returns, shipment delays and all of those different things. While with these websites, the only thing you have to carry about usually is just the design. So if you create a design, it's really nice design, good design, everybody wants to buy that, simply put it on these websites and enjoy some basically revenue that's going to come in the months to come. Basically it's a passive income, and because you did the job once, you put it on these websites and it's going to sell all over again for the months to come and sometimes even years to come. So selling physical products on these websites is a fantastic way for you to make money if you're interested in such a thing, especially if you're good at illustrating, if you're good at creating custom designs, which are going to fit really well on these physical products such as t-shirts and iPhone cases. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship, and much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.